Hello, I am Dr. Suhasini Inamdar, consultant obstetrician and gynecologist, Bangalore, India. The days after LMP, when the chances of conception are most, are from day 12th to day 18th, provided the cycle is very regular. Planning pregnancy with irregular cycle is a big challenge for the couples, but there are certain methods which can be followed onto and the pregnancy would become easier for them to plan. So first is taking the basal body temperature. Basal body temperature is to be taken from day 1 of the cycle and it should be taken before the lady gets out of the bed, and this is to be charted throughout the cycle. The rise in temperature at the time of ovulation will give the way that okay, this is a good time to conceive. So the temperature rise would be somewhere from half to 1 degree Fahrenheit. The second thing to be noticed is the vaginal discharge. During the time of ovulation, the discharge becomes very thin and copious, and sometimes it may have egg or fishy odor. Then there are some tests which are available to find out the ovulation. One is the kit which is available in the market nowadays, which is called ovulation kit. This basically detects the surge of LH hormones, and this precedes 24 to 48 hours before the time of ovulation. So this will give you a clue, and it can be done at home. It is a urine test basically. And the fourth test is what the sonologist and gynecologist can do. This is called follicular study. In this, the follicles, how they develop, what is the growth, and when they are ovulating can be detected. So this is how a lady can find out which is the best time to conceive with irregular cycle.